Hey, my name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I made a short video for the team over at PTAC. In this video, I'll be explaining 3 things you could do today to bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of the video you like what you see and hear, shoot me a message and we can chat. I'll keep this video short and sweet for you. The 3 things I'll be discussing today will be content, citations, and backlinks. So I'll get right to it. As you can see, I'm on the homepage of your website playing some really cool music. I guess you guys have it put up in the back. I haven't paused this video, but the music is playing. That's fine. We'll keep going. So the first thing will be content. When I say content, I mean anything that's on the home page. Today I'll only be discussing the home page. That means pictures, words, videos, all that stuff. You want to have at least 1,500 or more words on this home page, which are keyword rich, to help you outrank your competition and get looked up by Google and be higher in the search results. And other things to look out for will be how your pictures are saved and what's behind them. What I mean by that, let me give you an example. You see this van picture right here. I try to save it. You'll see what comes up. 200 by 300. You can utilize this and make it a keyword, put keywords in there and help even this picture right here help you outrank your competition and make you move forward. So all these pictures could be done the same way. After this, I'll move on to my second thing today, citations. As you can see, I did a quick little search right here for heating and air conditioning companies in New York City just to show you what customers look at when they search for something. So the first thing you'll see is this top section right here. It's called the Google Guaranteed section. In this section, you can only advertise with Google once you have gone through a verification process with them, and only after that they allow businesses to advertise right here. It's a great location to be because that's the first thing customers see, and also it's been getting really good leads for a lot of businesses. After that, we move down to this traditional Google Ads section, which is a word of caution. It could be a money pit if not utilized correctly, depending on who you work with and who you tell them to do your advertisements. It's really important to how this is done. The offer, the words, the links, the placement is really important. So after that, we move on to this section right here, which is called the Google Map Pack. Now this Map Pack, in my recommendation, is highly desirable place for any business to be at, and we help businesses get in the top 3 spots of this Map Pack. And here I'll explain to you what a citation is. So a citation is anywhere on the web which allows you to input your business information, such as your business name, phone number, and address. Most of these places will be your online directories, such as Yelp, LinkedIn, Angie's List, Home Advisor, those kind of websites. So after this map pack, we move on to the section called the organic section. Over here, you will find the websites which have organically outranked and beat out their competitors' websites and made it to the first page of the Google search. So this is definitely the first page where you want to be at. And the third thing and last thing I want to talk about today will be backlinks. A backlink is any website out there which is providing a link to your website, potentially giving you that traffic and keywords. So I use this tool right here called Ahrefs. It's a paid service, but it provides me with really amazing data that they get straight from Google, which helps me assess the performance of any website. As you can see, I've put your information right there. And from this, I can see that you guys have 27 referring domains, 14,000 backlinks, giving you 430 keywords, which at the end of the day get you 83 people visiting your website per month. That's organic traffic per month. Now I'll compare this to another website, which is a top competitor in the New York City area, to give you a bit of context. Right here, this is what their numbers are looking like. Big difference. They got 716 referring domains, giving them 3,100 backlinks, giving them 26,000 keywords, giving them 26,000 organic traffic per month, meaning visitors visiting their website per month. Now you might be wondering why they have 3,100 backlinks and getting substantially more visitors while you guys have 14,000 backlinks. This is a great place for me to tell you that all backlinks are not created equally, and getting some random backlinks is not really going to help your business. You want to stay in the same industry that you are in, those backlinks will be much better and give you much more traffic and give you more keywords. So with that, told you I'll keep it short and sweet. That's all I had for you today. We do all these things. We can boost these numbers up by the thousands. That's what we specialize in. We help with the ads, the Google Map Pack, the Google Guaranteed, and the organic SEO searches as well. So with that, I hope you found this video to be educational. And if you want to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, give me a call. I'd love to chat. So with that, I thank you so much for your time, and you have a great day.